Unlock a more secure and personalized Revolut experience by learning how to easily change your PIN right in the app. First, open your Revolut app. If you've forgotten your PIN, tap Forgot PIN. On the login screen, this will prompt you to verify your identity. Once you're into the app, navigate to your profile. You can usually find this by tapping on your profile picture or initials, often located in the top corner of the screen. Inside your profile settings, look for the card section. Tap on it to access your card management options. Here, you'll find an option to change PIN. Select this to begin the process. For security, you might be asked to re-enter your current PIN if you remember it, or complete a quick identity verification. Now, you'll be asked to enter your new, desired PIN. Choose something strong and memorable, but avoid obvious sequences or birthdays. You'll then need to confirm your new PIN by entering it again. This ensures you typed it correctly. And that's it. Your Revolut PIN has been successfully changed. If you encounter any issues, like being locked out after too many incorrect attempts, you may need to wait a short period before trying again, or reach out to Revolut support through the app's help section for further assistance. Keeping your PIN secure is vital for your financial safety. Now you know how to manage it effortlessly.